Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make crunchy Nigeria buns. So over here are all my ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of flour. Over here I have 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter here, baking powder, salt and nutmeg. So guys, let's get started. What I'm going to do first of all is just to add my baking powder into it, salt and nutmeg, Our buns is ready. This is the last bun, guys. So what I'm going to do is just to, you know, take it out of the, oh yeah, it looks so crunchy, tasty and delicious. You need to try it. It's very simple, very simple. My little daughter likes this very much. If you ask her to be eating this throughout the whole day, she will do that. That is it, guys. This is the finishing part. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. So the other one I've not yet cooked, so this is my first oil and this is the second one. So I'm just going to open one for you guys to see how it looks. So crunchy, and so delicious. Can you hear the crunchiness? Thank you also so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.